Great to be here with you today. My name is John Mallett. I'm with Main Street Mortgage, the founder and president of the company. And one of the reasons why I founded the company is I wanted to find a way to help people navigate through the process of mortgage financing so they could buy their dream home. And a lot of people ask the question, they say, well, why do I need a mortgage broker? I just go online and get it done and get it approved and move into the house. Well, I wish it was that easy, but unfortunately it's not. It's one thing to be able to get approved for a loan. It's an entirely different thing to be able to actually fund it, record it, and actually live in your home. And in fact, what we find is a lot of people come to me and they go, I am so frustrated and have so much anxiety because I tried to get financing on my own and it didn't work. It was either they gave the lender too much information. One of the reasons why you use a mortgage professional is that they know exactly what they need to get from you in order to get an approval. And a lot of times when our approvals come out, it's just really what we need is what we ask for, what the approval's asking for. So often it goes into structuring the file in such a way that it overcomes the problems before they come out. Trying to do your own mortgage is like trying to do your own brain surgery. And so it's a better idea if you let somebody do it who's been in the business for years that knows how to do it. So working with a mortgage professional not only helps you navigate the process, but it also does a big job for you as far as getting the most competitive rate. The other thing that's important about using a mortgage professional that I think is one of the biggest is that there's fewer surprises. The thing that makes this business so frustrating for clients especially is the fact that all of a sudden surprises come up. Oh, we need this extra document, or we need this extra document. Or, your tax returns aren't quite right, they haven't been filed, we need to get a verification from the IRS that they've actually been filed. I mean, the stuff that lenders come up with is just amazing. And so what we do is really focus on what we call the 70-30 principle. As a lender's concierge, we do everything for you. Our clients don't even fill out their own paperwork. We do it for you. And we want to do that because as we take the application, we know what questions to ask and what to hone in on to overcome the problem before it comes up. And so the idea is that as a lender's concierge, 70% of our time on your loan will be spent on getting your loan ready for submission to the underwriter. That's why we have a very good reputation with our underwriters and our lenders. When they see a file that comes from John Mallett or Main Street Mortgage, they go, this is a great file because these people really put the time and effort to answer all the questions, take care of all the problems, all the objections before it comes up. So when we get the file, we know that it's already almost underwritten to where we don't have to do a lot of work. And so that is really what we focus on versus the amateur that you might be able to go to, where they kind of just slap it against the wall. They just throw it against the wall and they hope it'll stick. And they put about 30% of their energy into structuring the file, and then it takes 70% to close it. See, the beautiful thing about overcoming the problems before they come up is there's less drama, and it takes much less effort to close the loan when you've done the work up front, so you don't have all these surprises at the end. Our purpose is to take care of you. Our purpose is to make the experience of getting home financing a great experience instead of one that's filled with drama and anxiety and uncertainty, wondering if you're going to be approved. Whereas with a mortgage professional, we really focus on telling you up front, yes, you'll be approved, we can make this deal happen, and it happens. That's what we're all about. In the description below, there's a whole menu of items that you can choose from. One is to download my book free of charge, which is the first chapter in the introduction for you to take a look at. Another one is that you can order the book free of charge. I'll send it to you at no cost, and I'll even pay the postage. Or you can apply for a loan, or you can simply contact us and say, what do I qualify for? How much home can I buy? We'll pre-approve you for a loan. Anything that we can do to help you, that's what we're here for. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for listening.